Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm doing well, and really, I welcome you in this live session of India English Bolega Abhiyan, a dream to change India. I have started India English Bolega Abhiyan to make India fluent in this language because it was my dream to speak this language, and I was from Hindi medium school, so it was very difficult for me to learn this language. But now it is very easy for me to express my ideas in this language. Thank you. I welcome you. Please introduce yourself.
Glad to hear about you. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time to have session with me. So as you know, my name is Susmita Kaushik, belong to Assam, currently based in UP, holding Master and PGDCA. I have been working on my communication skill last more than 1 year, and I am run YouTube channel too by the name of Global English Quest. Yeah, so far that's all about me. Thank you. So yes, first thing I love to know about you. You are running English Bolega Abhiyan. So how are you working on that? What is your participate on? How do you influence
Yes,
to people?
India English Bolega Abhiyan, there is a one dream and it is one training program, Hindi to English. There are a lot of
Okay.
students are there. They want to learn this language from India and out of the India. And
Mhm.
they want to improve their communication skill. So they join India English Bolega Abhiyan. And India English Bolega Abhiyan, it is 100% guarantee provide you that you can speak English if you can read Hindi and English then. 100% guarantee because I tell you it was my dream and it became true. Then a lot of students, they have also dreamed to speak this language and their dreams are also being true.
That's great. You are helping to others to simultaneously. You are learning, right? You are learning or you are teaching to them.
You know that I think English is very vast language and there is no perfection, there is no 100%. I think you can say limit that now you are complete. There is no
Okay.
like this completion.
Yes.
So you have to improve yourself every day. And
Mhm.
still I'm improving myself, I'm learning. And but most of the time just I teach, I help the students because this time just I can express myself very easily. So the students, they are very eager to learn this language. I help them how to speak English fluently and still I'm learning and it is my passion. Whenever I learn this language, really I feel amazing. Tell me about your English speaking journey.
Okay, I haven't started to help to any other person through my video, whatever they are getting, that is the all things. But simultaneously, personally, I'm not taking any kind of session so far to teach. I'm focusing on myself to enhance my communication. As you said, that this is the vast language. We should improve first ourselves, then only we can go further. First, deserve and desire, right? So now I am improving myself. So since more than 1 year, I have been working on my communication skill. Hello, sorry, I got here. Okay, since more than 1 year, I have been working on my communication skills. So through this period, I have connected more than 500 people to have a conversation with them. So to improve my communication skill. So far it's going on well, and I also run YouTube channel, and through this channel, I'm getting mailed to connect with people. They are approaching me to have sessions. So that's how it's going on so far. So yes, this is pretty much about me myself. So okay,
Great, great, great.
did you
Fantastic.
recently?
What about the work you are doing? It is fantabulous, and really I appreciate you because I am recording this video because English environment we don't have in India. Most of the people they don't speak English, so we don't have the English environment. And if we don't have the English environment, we can't learn this language very easily. So it is very important. If you wanna learn this language, you have to listen and watch carefully how the people they are talking each other. And if
Mhm.
you do every day you do that in when it will just it will be stuck in your subconscious mind very easily. Just you will be able to understand, you will be able to learn, you will be able to speak this language. Only after that you have to do the practice. As much as practice you will do, that much fluent you will be. And
Obviously.
really I feel fantastic because when I talk to the YouTubers and learners of English language. So India English Bolega Abhiyan, there is one dream to change India. If it will be possible, just so we can connect around the globe, and it will be amazing experience for us, and really it will be fantastic achievement in our life. And whatever your work you are doing, that is commendable. Really, I appreciate you that you
Thank you so
upload the
much.
video, like this conversation video. It is creating the environment. Then
Okay.
who inspired you to learn this language? Actually, I would like to ask you this question. Who inspired you? I think how it came in your mind that you should learn this language.
Okay, learning English or speaking English, it was my dream when I was in college time. That time I did not get the atmosphere to learn this language because what happened at the time that time internet facility and YouTube was not that much available. We were not aware about all the things, and internet facility also was not that much good at the time. So I couldn't start. Once I came here in UP, Assam to UP, that time I got not atmosphere, but I got the internet facility very properly. So my childhood dream was there to learn this language. So I started, I searching job as a corporate sector. I was a teacher of computer before marriage. So similar job I found, but thing is that I should be know how to communicate with people in English. So that time I was not aware, and I was not able to speak, so I did not select there. So then since then I have started to learn this language, but sometime it was on and off, and I couldn't carry on. But last 1 year I am totally consistent, and I'm focusing. I'm really enthusiastic to learn this language. So yeah, that's how my if I talk about who influenced me and how motivated myself, so it's, I must say, this is the circumstances come in front of me, then I had to learn this language. So yes.
Really. It is fantastic. Really, you are doing amazing, and really great improvement. Just I can see here that because of the great practice you have done in your life, more than 500 students are English learners you have taught. Really, it is commendable work. I tell you, if you talk with different types of people, really just your communication skill and your thought process, everything I think changes. And really, it is amazing. And really, I'm feeling glad to talk to you. Really,
Yeah,
it is
please
amazing.
1 second. Yeah, 1 second, please. Sorry for interfere. Someone came out of my house. They were knocking. So, okay. Thank you so much for your appreciation. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. So I just want to know one thing, that do you run any platform? Do you have any platform where you can teach to people, or do you have any YouTube channel that you can teach to people? That you said that English Bolega Abhiyan. So where do you influence to people by name of this?
Oh, yes, really. Just I have many platforms where I teach. First, about Hybro application. Do you know about Hybro application?
Yes,
Hybro
I
application, there is their expert tutor, and I teach a lot of students there. And after that, I have my own program, India English Bolega Abhiyan, where I teach group classes I take, and after that, one to one also I take classes. And
that,
many students they join there, and in group class I teach, and one to one also I teach, and offline sometimes I also teach whenever just I get time. I teach all the time. I teach, and I love it. I really just whenever I teach, I feel fantastic in my life because you are helping the people. What is your dream? The people say, your students say, "Wow, sir, fantastic, sir! You are helping. Really, you are fantastic. You are doing great job." And I feel amazing because of me that many people, small students, I think 6 plus, they are I think studying now. They are also able to speak this language. So I feel fantastic because they say thanks, and that is amazing. I think that is far from the money. That is
yes,
the happiness. when you have the dream, something to achieve, and your dream comes true, you feel fantastic in your life.
That's great. You are helping to people to achieve their dream. That is a big thing. Now you are feeling so satisfied, I must say, right? That your whatever you have seen, that whatever you have desired, the people will speak English. Now it's fulfilling your desire. So how do you feel now?
I feel fantastic in my life because whatever I thought in my life, it was my dream to teach online. I was
Mhm.
earlier in 2019, I was teaching offline. Before 2019, I was teaching offline, and that time just I had one dream that one day I would teach English online and around the globe. I think most of the people they work, I think they are from India, they work in Dubai, Qatar, so they will be also able to learn this language, and the communication barriers, you know, that whenever the people they say Arabic, aleli aleli, they say speak many different languages, and you don't understand. Oh my god, what are you saying, sir? I can't understand, please help me. That time, you know, that I think they speak, but you can't understand. But this English, it works like breeze. Whatever
Mhm.
your thoughts, whatever just you want to say, please help me, of course I can help you. So I think really marvelous journey it is. And in corporate sector, you know, that if you want to do that job, so without this language, I think there is no option. You can't grow in your life, you can't get the promotion. So communication skill, it is good, but without English, I think it is incomplete.
Obviously, it's now become mandatory. Really, that's it. Okay. Now you are fully focusing on on teaching, or any other things do you do simultaneously?
Actually, teaching is my passion, and most of the time I teach. English learning is my hobby, and I learn English, I teach English, and I don't have extra time to do any other curriculum. So I focus on my study. I try to learn everyday English. I try to teach everyday English, and my life goes on. It is going fantastic, and really, I'm
Okay.
helping a lot of students. They say thank you because of me. They are doing it. I say always thanks my gurus, my trainers. Because of them, today it became possible. Once upon a time, I tell you, one of my teachers, he said two lines in English,
Okay.
but I
Mhm.
couldn't understand. That
Okay.
time, really, I felt very, very bad. It was the worst moment of my life because I was the best student, but I was from Hindi medium school. I was the
Mhm.
best student, but I was from Hindi medium school. And he said two lines in English, and I couldn't understand because that time my English was so weak. So
Okay.
that time I determined that one day I would learn this language, I would speak this language, I would teach this language, and it became possible.
Wow.
So I feel fantabulous whenever I get opportunity. I speak, I just talk to the people.
That's great. Very glad to hear about you. You achieve your goal, whatever you were thinking for a long. So that's great. Do you have any question? Because I continuously was asking. So if you have before wrapping up the session, then I love to answer your question too.
Okay, thank you for joining this wonderful session because I have my own classes and I have to teach my students. So thank you for giving your wonderful opportunity here, and I need to teach now. So thank you. That's enough for today. Next time,
It's
see
my
you.
pleasure. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. Have a good day
Welcome,
ahead.
welcome.
Bye.
Thank you, thank you.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I'm also doing well. So today guys, I am here to speak about India English Bolega Abhiyan and the teacher of this Abhiyan, Mr. Suraj sir. It is a very good platform because when I was a beginner, I couldn't be able to speak English fluently, and I couldn't be able to speak any single word in English. But today I speak English very well because since I joined this Abhiyan, I am improving myself day by day, and I have learned so many new things in this platform. So I strongly recommend you join the India English Bolega Abhiyan and join the Suraj sir's class, and you can be speak English speaker in future, and speak like me and Mr. Suraj sir. So please go and join India English Bolega Abhiyan, because it's a very good platform to learn English and improve yourself. That's all for today from my side. I hope you like my speech. Thank you.